Eighth grade, here we are. We are in the Google Doc problems. Please, like I said, if you are just looking at these on the computer, you can't print them out. Make sure you copy the problems down into a notebook so you have some space to work and you're not just looking at it on the screen. So like I said, there's a few of these problems that are going to show up on your benchmark, so I want to make sure that we review how to solve equations. So let's look at this first one, right? X plus 6 equals 10. So remember what this means. Something plus 6 is equal to 10. We're trying to figure out what is that something? What does this variable stand for? I know so many of you can just look at this and know that x is equal to 4, right? Because 4 plus 6 equals 10. But remember how we solve these. We want to get this 1x, this variable, by itself. So we draw our divider line. And then whatever is over here with this 1x, we need to get rid of. We need to make a zero pair. So remember, if this is a plus 6, we are going to minus 6 to create a zero pair. The golden rule of algebra, what we do on this side, we have to also do on this side. So we minus 6 on both sides. We didn't do anything to our x, so that comes down. 6 minus 6 is 0 equals 10 minus 6 is 4. So we've got our answer of x equals 4. We circle it to make sure that we are complete. Now, how could we check this? We could plug in x equals 4. We could plug in 4 into the x spot, and it has to come true, right? So 4 plus 6 does equal 10. So we solved it correctly. Look at the second one. This one's a little bit different because we don't just have 1x. So here we have 2x minus 4 equals 16. We're going to do the same thing. Draw our divider line. We still need to get this 2x by itself. So we've got a minus 4 here. To get rid of a negative 4 or a minus 4, we have to do the opposite, remember? So we add 4 to this side, add 4 to this side. Our 2x comes down. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. 16 plus 4 is 20. So now we've got 2x is equal to 20. And again, I know a lot of you can mental math this. This says 2 times something gives us 20. Well, that something has to be 10. 2 times 10 is 20. But how do we solve this? I'm going to move it over here. 2x equals 20. We want to know what 1x is equal to. So this says 2 times x. So remember, we can do the inverse. We can divide. Divide by 2. What we do on one side, we have to do on the other side. 2x divided by 2 gives us 1x, right? 20 divided by 2 gives us 10. X is equal to 10. We can also check it. This has to come true here. Does 2 times 10 minus 4 equal 16? Well, 2 times 10 is 20, minus 4 is 16. So this satisfies this. So in number 3, you have to distribute first. Remember what that means? To get rid of these parentheses, we multiply what's on the outside times what's on the inside. So 2 times 2 is 4x. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 equals 8. And then this is just like these ones. So make sure you solve this. Now in number 4, we have variables on both sides. So we're going to have to make a couple zero pairs. So I want to leave my x's on this right-hand side because there's more of them over here. There's 4 x's over here. There's only 2 x's over here. So that means I'm going to leave this 4x alone. I'm going to make a zero pair with this minus 12. So if this is a negative 12, I add 12. Remember what I do on one side, I have to do on the other. I have to make sure that I add 12 to this 6 though. I can't add 12 to this 2x. So if I add 12 here, I've got to add 12 here. 2x, we didn't do anything to it. 6 plus 12 is 18 equals 4x, and negative 12 plus 12 made a 0 pair. Now, I need to make it so that this 2x isn't over here. I want my x's over here. So I'm gonna make a 0 pair with this positive 2x. I'm gonna minus 2x, minus 2x. 2x minus 2x makes a 0 pair. That 18 comes down. 4x minus 2x is 2x. So we've got 2x equals 18. And now you remember from this last problem what we have to do to get 1x by itself. So number 5, the last one, combines all of these different skills. You're gonna have to distribute, and then you're gonna have to do your 0 pairs like you did in number 4. So let's distribute this together, and then you're gonna finish number 5. This gives us 4x plus 16. Negative 2 times positive 2 gives us negative 4x. Negative 2 times negative 12 gives us positive 24. So now you have distributive property done, and now this is a problem that looks like in number 4. So please take your time, work through numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have office hours at 1:15. I have my phone on me always. And then in the next video, we are gonna look at, oh my gosh, what do we do here? You'll see in a minute. These problems are just like these ones that we did. So finish numbers 1 through 5, and then I'll see you in video 2.